Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice file recovery is not working, your unsaved document can't be restored, or recovered files are missing, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes that may help recover your files. First, completely close OnlyOffice and open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent the recovery feature from working properly. Next, check the recent files section. Yeah, recovered documents may appear there automatically. Look for backup copies stored on your computer or cloud storage. OnlyOffice may have created temporary backup files. If you're using cloud storage, make sure synchronization is working correctly, so files may still exist online even if they don't appear locally. Deleted files may still be available in the recycle bin or trash folder. Restoring them may solve the problem. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Yeah, updates often improve file recovery and stability. Some antivirus programs may accidentally block temporary files. Temporarily disabling protection can help identify the issue. If your files are stored in cloud services, check the version history. Previous versions may still be available. If recovery problems continue, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. So a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional assistance. Yeah, they may be able to identify file-specific or recovery-related issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice file recovery problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.